Welcome back, Taylor Cooks. It's after the weekend. We've got some fish that we didn't use. We've also got a tin of tomatoes which wasn't open, which I suppose really could go in the cupboard, but I'm going to use it tonight. And we've got this amazing, huge spud. So, fish, tomatoes, spud. What can possibly go wrong? Cue the music. Yes, we have actually got some nice bits of stuff that we've not used at the weekend, especially these big potatoes. These are great. And like I said, I defrosted this cod, whitefish cod. Never used it, need it to be used today. That's the desperate thing. And a tin of tomatoes out of the cupboard, so let's see what we can do with that. You'll like this, it's going to be brilliant. And at the end of it, you're going to go, oh, did he really do that? Yes, he did. Watch this. That's our fish. We're going to use that. That's going to be cooked right at the end. But what I have got is this tin of tomatoes. I've also got some herbish. There we are. I'll tell you what they are in a second. An onion, and we have some melted butter with a bit of mixed herbs in, a bit of tomato puree and a few other things. So what I want to do first of all is to get this underway if I can. And I'll just move these out of the road and then we'll go from there. First thing I want to do, I want to make this potato into a really special potato. We're going to make it into a Hasselback. It's escaping, it's alive, it's alive. I'll just flatten that bottom off. It's going to make it a lot easier. There we are. And if you've never done this before, you'll like this. It's like an alternative to roast potatoes. And if you're not sure what you're doing, watch this very carefully. I've got a couple of chopsticks there, and that's for a reason. And the reason is I don't want to go all the way through this. So I'm going to stop at the chopsticks. Can you see it? And we want tiny slices, about the thickness of a pound coin. And every time we do it, we'll stop it like this. Our chopsticks out of the way, and I'll just show you exactly what we have. Look, every one of these is separate, but it's still attached. Can you see that or not? So you can see that every one is open, but we've not gone all the way through. I'm going to put some butter with some herbs in. This is only mixed herbs, nice and simple. Just do every one. See that or not? Hopefully you can. So this is the next bit what we're going to do. Get some onion frying off first of all. Onions are in there, they're going brown nicely, that's lovely. Bit of olive oil. We can add a little bit of garlic to it, and our tin of tomatoes that we had. And then we're going to add some tomato puree to it. What's really going to make it taste nice are these spices. So we've got paprika and cumin and cinnamon and a few others. The list is on the side here, you'll see the list. And if you add these to your tomatoes, it's going to give it a proper Mediterranean type vibe going on. There's our tomatoes in that Moroccan style sauce. Just put that to one side. Let's get a pan. There's our fish. What I'll do, get a little bit of butter. So you can use any white fish for this. This is a little bit of cod. Alright, a bit of salt and pepper on the fish first.